Thank you, dear friend, for coming back on EME Education Made Easier, a channel just for you. If you've not yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe the channel because there's a lot more to come and each video is definitely going to be beneficial for you. This video is for the students of classes 10th and 12th. I'm sure there are a lot many questions hovering in your mind past few days, like when will your pending exams be conducted? When will the results be declared? If the exams will be cancelled, how will the results be generated? To get the answers to all these queries, watch the video till the end. CBSE currently issued a circular on 25th June 2020. In this video, I would be explaining that notification to you in the simpler words. It says the remaining examinations that were scheduled from 1st July to 15th July have been declared as cancelled. The CBSE has declared the following assessment scheme in order to release the results for classes 10th and 12th by 15th July 2020. Let me first talk about CBSE class 12th. If the examination is cancelled, how will the students be assessed? For that, CBSE has clearly stated that those students who were able to appear in more than 3 subjects, the best 3 performing subjects will be selected and the remaining subjects will be allotted marks on the basis of the average score. I know it's confusing. Let me put it in simple words. Say you were able to give the examination for 4 subjects: Hindi, English, Maths and Science. Now you happen to score 75 in Hindi, 75 in English, 75 in Maths, but you got 60 in Science. So the marks of best 3 subjects will be taken and the remaining subjects will be marked accordingly. Since the average marks are 75, you'd get 75 in Science and Social Science as well. Those students who were able to appear for only 3 subjects, the average marks of 2 best subjects will be allotted to the subjects whose exams have been cancelled. Now if we talk about Delhi, there are a few students who were able to give the examination in only 1 or 2 subjects. Their results will be declared on the performance of the subjects they have appeared, along with the performance in internals, practicals and project assessments that they had been giving all through the session. Now here is a good news for those who are not happy with this decision of CBSE. They need not be disheartened. CBSE has decided to conduct an optional examination for them. Once the results are out and you are not happy with your result, you can appear in these optional examinations to improve your performance if you desire to. Now the question arises, when will these exams be conducted? When the situation is conducive, means everything goes on smoothly, then the date for these optional exams will be declared. One important thing to make a note is, if you opt for the optional examination, you will have to stick to it. There will be no means through which you would be able to alter your decision and go back to the previous results as declared by CBSE. So please be judicious while taking a decision whether you want to opt for optional examination or not. Now talking about class 10th, there is nothing to worry about as their examinations were conducted smoothly without any disturbance. So their result will be declared by 15th July 2020 on the basis of their performance. I know you have put in a lot of efforts and are eagerly waiting for the results to be declared at the earliest. Each one of you would surely come out with flying colors. Wish you all the very best for your results. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.